Wagwan. There with the next ER interview. Today we're there with Beenie Man. Yeah, man, Mr. Zagazo himself. So this one is titled Beenie Man defends his crown and his return to US stage. Yes, sorry. Yeah. Let's go.
The US once more in his sights, and while others may have hit the headlines, he remains dancehall royalty, oblivious of other claimants to the crown. Beenie Man at standpipe, dancehall's doctor at 52. The good times rolling again now that he's back on the road in the US, along with the likes of Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel, DJs in their prime, with hits to play to live audiences starved of appearances by some of the biggest names in dancehall. How does it feel to be 50-something as a dancehall artist?
Yeah, it always feels great because every time as a kid, you always want to be older. You want to always be that man.
Yeah.
You see it? So, you know, when you reach that age and come up that age, you realize that this age is fine. So it's just for you to just live it.
I'm okay, becoming clean every day.
Are you partying as hard as you're known to do?
Well, I'm working harder, not partying.
Why are you working harder now?
I am more in demand, so I have no time to party.
At this point, though, people like you have a team to make the load less heavy. Do you have a team in place?
I do have a team, yeah, but I mostly work with my wife. Yeah, like seriously, she make everything happen.
You have trust issues?
Well, no, really.
Why ask that?
I trust who I trust, and I love who I love.
It wasn't like he was stuck in Jamaica, but his return to the US, a big deal indeed. No market bigger. But you have to structure things. Were you as prepared as maybe you should have been going back to the States?
And tell me that one thing, if you know about me, I'm always prepared. When it comes to doing shows and pleasing my fans and make my fans feel good about themselves, that when them come to a Beenie Man show, them can go home and speak about it. You know my thing. My thing is always about them, and it's all about the people.
I hear you, but I have to be honest. It did seem that it was a little low-key, your return to the American stage.
No, well...
The fanfare that some other people got didn't seem to be there when you went back to the States.
Yeah, but that have nothing to do with me.
One thing with Anthony Miller, you know. Anthony Miller a real fucking man in the dog. Yo, if you're strong, you thump Anthony Miller and feels, you know, you're Anthony Miller. Ask. You're the oxygen there.
To the American stage.
No, well...
The fanfare that some other people got didn't seem to be there when you went back to the States.
Yeah, but then...
So basically, if I say, when Beenie Man returned to the States, in flop. Because him not get the fanfare or the crowd or the hype where other artists get when they return.
Other people got didn't seem to be there when you went back to the States.
Yeah, but that have nothing to do with me.
Yeah, but was that a matter of preparation?
No, it's
because
not.
Moses, Beenie Man is a big star.
True. But every time you're doing things, you have to have the right promoters, the right people who is promoting the show, and the right promotion. You understand what I say? But when you have fans, like what we have, you don't think you need that. You just go on and your fans them support you. Yes, certain things, boom, boom, but no. Because we get the same sold out show, we get the same venues, and we sell out the same venue where everybody else sold out.
If that were the case, why was the hype missing?
There's no hype, because we don't do hype, Anthony Miller. You know, we don't do hype, man, none at all, man. We be who we are, because we are who we are. We don't do hype, because hype are nice, and we don't make nice. We do what we're supposed to do.
If anyone expected a promotional push around the dancehall icons taking a joint show on the road, it hasn't happened yet.
It's not everybody want to be united. You have to just know. I love music for music itself. See? I love artists because I am an artist. I support music because all of us doing the same job. Now, I do not think that every artist think like me. I don't think that. So you see, if every artist think like me, it would be a stronger front.
So you were prepared to unite with other artists?
Today, tomorrow, the next day after, next week, next month, next year, I am prepared.
So what was the stumbling block?
Not me. I am what wasn't the stumbling block, not me. My feelings are all about bringing all musicians together so we can be one force.
Do you think you could have maximized on the potential of being fresh again to the US market last year? Could you have made more of the moment, Beenie Man?
I am already maximizing. That's about could I make. I did.
I'm telling you that, yo.
I went to America and I gained the fans and I gained the sold out shows and I did that. I did that. But you know me, Anthony. Me is not a man where come out and promote this and promote that and promote this and promote that. Every minute me dep on this. Every minute watch me. Watch me I do. No.
But that's a part of the...
I've been told personally, say Beenie Man they even walk with a phone. I've been told, say Beenie Man, if you want to contact Beenie Man, you have to just get lucky and see him somewhere or see him in one studio or know somebody there around him. Beenie Man walk with phone. Somebody where they around him tell me that.
Game, though.
Yeah, but that is not my game. My game is to show you my game is growing. Not my game is growing.
And talking about games, Beenie Man developing his own video game. Famous dancehall names are going after each other, sometimes clobbering each other. I noticed a left hook reaching Cartel.
Yo! I tell you, Villa, me say, I'll be one of the laugh to blood clot. Yo. This is what Anthony Villa is, Anthony Villa, bro.
I noticed a left hook reaching Cartel.
Left hook.
God. Yeah, well, it's a game.
You also sent Bounty Killer flying, though.
No, me literally brought him up.
I'm saying you also send Bounty Killer flying, though. You're beating him. Me literally brought him up.
God.
Go on.
Yeah, well, it's a game.
You also sent Bounty Killer flying, though.
How much game this? One minute game, man.
No, me literally brought him up. Catch my fire. The greatest thing about music is we supposed to have fun with it. Every man does a fight. A man does a that man the whole enough to live and a man for dead and a man for sit down. I don't believe that. I believe that every artist in this business have a space so you can just deal with your thing. You see? So Immortal is my new single. My new song is a warm-up single for the album that's coming out very soon. That is what we're dealing with. So the game, Immortal, is a game. We're really working on it to put it out on all PCs where everybody can play it and things.
Yeah, everybody on the line up your cam. Ready up your video, figure post on the gram.
This new song you have, why are you telling people to go?
And we have say, man, bad mind for go, man, hypocrite for go. Because you see, you have a lot of people who come talk to you and shake your hand every day and look in your face and say, oh, you're my artist and me love and respect you and honor you.
Then they back a different thing.
They don't. They want to see you go down. They want to see everything stop for you. So, yeah, them go.
Beenie Man exploring a familiar argument, infighting and bad mind forever a thing. The real obstacle in the way of Jamaican music reaching new audiences.
You said this, me said that. You go on there, so you are part of that person there, me are part of that person there. It's always there in the business. We have to take our music to the world. It's not for the world to take our music to us. Rihanna bust through dancehall music. I can name out a whole heap of American artists who have #1 dancehall music on the Billboard chart. And tell me when last you have a dancehall pop Billboard song.
Sure.
So what's the problem? Why is the music now at a standstill overseas?
We are the problem. We are Jamaican. Why are we not selling Jamaica?
Have you ever contributed to that crab in a barrel mentality? Did you fight against other DJs too?
No, me have defend myself. Never fight against an artist.
Yeah, being one now take accountability for nothing, you know.
I defend myself.
Yeah, you defend yourself,
because
yeah.
every
Tell him.
artist want to go. So me defend myself.
Maybe the rest will say the same thing.
No, but I never start the war. This is the problem. Is who start the war fight against you, you know. So you have to defend yourself. So I defended myself, right through, and still defending.
That's not what I get garner from the clash between you and Bunty though, you know. Your pirate song, and that start the war. Your pirate song, and Bunty never like it, and that me understand from it. If I'm wrong, comment section, tell me.
Myself, right through.
Me not go nowhere. Me not go.
Have you moved beyond the whole controversy over who is the king of the dancehall and who wears the crown? Does that matter to you anymore,
Question.
or in your mind you are the king of the
Question.
dancehall?
Now in my mind, in your mind, who is your king?
Can't
I'm
answer
in media. I can't take
Yeah,
sides.
You ask me a question, you ask me a question, me ask
But
you.
I can't take
All right,
sides.
blessings. All right, let me tell you something. Every man, born as king. Zin? But it's your work, your body of work, what you put down, the amount of years that you put in the music, make you recognize who you are. So, what am I gonna say?
But you got your crown at Reggae Sumfest back in the day. Last year,
Yeah, but in a one crown, me get Anthony Miller. Stop,
and multiple crowns.
Yes, I did multiple crowns.
Last year, Vibes Cartel got his crown. Does that make him?
Multiple crowns.
Does that make him the new king?
Yeah, I don't know what is a new king from what is an old king.
Can you have many kings?
Got a 50-year-old, there's no new king. Way I do. Stop it. Stop doing that one. There's no, let me tell you this. You see, me is not King Yellow Man. I'm the king of the dancehall. My word, me make it, me build it. Me sing the song, welcome the king of the dancehall. I build it.
The one and only king.
You have something else to say?
Did you ever forgive Yellow Man for coming after you the way he came after you?
You have to always have forgiveness. As a man where naturally in your heart, you have to always have forgiveness.
Did you understand why he came after you in the way he came after you?
Yes, I do understand. And I do forgive him. 100%. I do. Yeah. And him still not gonna like me. That's it.
What's a bigger title? King of...
Yo, Yellow Man say, I'm Theo Beenie, I'm your king. How you feel be king? I'm not dead yet. Me dead? Hey, who give you king? Who give you crown? Nobody no give you no crown. I'm me I king. Oh, I'm Theo, one Yellow Man, the legend.
Like me.
Big up Yellow!
That's it.
What's a bigger title? King of the dancehall or world boss?
Yeah, God. You have one king. Zin? Done the argument. Blessings. That's the first.
The Sim Simmer DJ is set to hit the stage along with Morgan Heritage as Beenie Man and the Royals.
The idea was Mojo, him bring it to me, and then me like it, and then we just move towards it. Women are scream and a boogie down on the dance floor, reggae bring back love. So we have some on the same rhythm. We're not working with Morgan Heritage band, you know. Me have my own drummer, me have my own bass player, so it's gonna be two bands on stage at the same time.
Am I going to see Beenie Man at the Barclays Center at a sold-out gig in 2026?
Me sell out new bass. All right, me sell it out, sell it out, sell it out. It's bigger than Barclays Center. So what are you saying?
I'm not saying this or that. I'm waiting for you to say it.
Yeah, because you're media.
You tell me about it.
It's bigger than Barclays Center. So it's not because I don't work at Barclays. I get the same audience that you pull. Me alone. By myself. Thank you.
Any other mountains to scale? What is it you want to achieve to say this? I've stamped my greatness, and here is the proof.
Yeah, we just want to be the greatest artist, greatest dancehall artist of all time. One king, one life.
Yo, big up Beenie Man, man. Hey, man. Yo, Anthony Miller. Anthony Miller pressure. Anthony Miller pressure the artist one time in my interview with them, you know. Anthony Miller pressure the artist and me fuck. Beenie Man, for me, is one of the greatest performers dancehall has ever seen. For me, one of the greatest performers. Beenie Man is a legend, bro. We can't outdo the work that Beenie Man put in. Come and say, come and make a talk, yeah, man. We done. You all later.